Okay, good morning to all. Today we are going to start revision of complex number. So miscellaneous exercise question number 19. We can see if a plus iota b, a plus iota b into c plus iota d into e plus iota f and g plus iota h equal a plus iota b. Then we have to show that a square plus b square, a square plus b square into c square plus d square into e square plus f square into g square plus h square is equal to a square plus b square. So I think question is quite clear. We have the product of four complex numbers and equal to a plus iota b, and need to prove a square plus b square, c square plus d square, and the product equal to capital A square plus b square. So we have the property like modulus of z1, z2, z3, z4 equal to modulus of z1, modulus of z2, modulus of z3, and modulus of z4. I mean to say, if we are taking modulus of product of four complex numbers, so we can write in the manner modulus of z1, modulus of z2, modulus of z3, modulus of z4. हम कितने भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई कराएं, जब हम उनका कंबाइंड मॉडुलस लेते हैं तो वो इंडिविजुअल मॉडुलस के इक्वल होता है. इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम इस क्वेश्चन में अप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं. टेकिंग मॉडुलस ऑन बोथ साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन नंबर 1. टेकिंग मॉडुलस ऑन बोथ साइड. टेकिंग मॉडुलस on both sides. Taking modulus on both sides. So what we will do, a plus iota b, c plus iota d, e plus iota f, g plus iota h equal modulus a plus iota b. So what will be? I will write individual modulus of all by using the property. I can take individual modulus of all. This is modulus a plus iota b. A plus iota b. Now, Mr. Nihar, you can listen. Nihar, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nihar, tell me what is modulus of a plus iota b?
Modulus of
A plus iota b.
a plus b square under root.
Okay, square root of a square plus b square. Very good. And this one is square root of c square plus d square. And same square root of e square plus f square. and same square root of g square plus h square, and same square root of capital A square plus B square. I hope this concept is clear to all. Now taking square on both sides, I will take attendance shortly. Square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. So when you will take square, so what you are getting? You are getting a square plus b square only, because square root part will be cancelled out. Here is c square plus b square only. Here is e square plus f square only. Here is g square plus h square only. And final right hand side a square plus b square. Now you can see we have to prove this one. I think solution is clear to all. Aman, Anshika, Arnav, solution is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I took the screenshot and I'll make the PDF file and share to you all. And you will write the solution part. Whatever I'm doing today, you will make notes through my PDF file, what I will share after lecture. And who joined late, so it's my instruction to you, from today onwards, from tomorrow onwards, I will not allow to join if you will late. I will log the meeting after 5 minutes. So this question I'll repeat. If a plus iota b, c plus iota d, e plus iota f, g plus iota h will be capital A plus iota b. You can see in the screen. So what you have to show? Bracket a square b square, bracket c square d square, and so on up to 4 groups, and equal to a square plus b square. So what I used here, the concept behind. So I used this concept. This concept I used in this question. Modulus of Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 equal individual modulus of all. I hope this question is clear. Now move to the next question. Okay. Question number 18. Question number 18. I will start the attendance part. So kindly give the attendance after open your video. Yes, just wait. Anshika, Anshika, where is Anshika? I'm not getting your voice, Anshika. Not getting voice, and your video is not visible. Aman Tomar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Amol. Anshika Tyagi.